Hey everyone, welcome to OdooVerse. I'm Rashika Sharma, and in today's video, we're going to learn how to install Odoo on Windows step by step. This video is completely beginner-friendly, so even if you've never installed Odoo before, don't worry. I'll guide you through the complete setup process. We'll install Python PostgreSQL VS Code Git, and finally, Odoo itself. By the end of this video, your Odoo server will be running successfully on your Windows machine. So let's get started. Before installing Odoo, we need some important software tools. First is Python. Odoo is mainly built using Python, so this is required for backend development. Next is PostgreSQL. This is the database system where all Odoo data will be stored. Then we have VS Code. We'll use it as our code editor because it's lightweight and beginner-friendly. After that comes Git. Git helps us download and manage the Odoo source code from GitHub. And finally, Odoo itself, the ERP platform we are going to install and run. So make sure all these tools are ready before moving ahead. Now, let's install Python. First, visit the official Python website, python.org, and download the latest Python 3 version. After downloading, open the installer. Now this step is very important. Make sure you check the option, Add Python to Path. Many beginners forget this and later face errors in command prompt. After that, click on Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open command prompt and type Python -- version. If you see the Python version number on your screen, congratulations! Python is installed successfully. Next, we need to install PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is the database system used by Odoo to store business data. Go to postgresql.org and download the latest version. During installation, PostgreSQL will ask you to create a username and password. Please remember this password carefully because we'll need it later while configuring Odoo. Also, keep the default port as 5432. Once installation is complete, PostgreSQL will be ready to connect with Odoo. Now let's install VS Code and Git. VS Code will be our main editor for Odoo development. It's fast, clean, and perfect for beginners. Inside VS Code, I also recommend installing the Python and Pylons extensions for a better coding experience. Next is Git. Git helps us download the Odoo source code directly from GitHub. After installing Git, open command prompt and run git -- version. If you see a version number, Git is installed correctly. Now, let's download Odoo. Open command prompt or PowerShell and move to the folder where you want to store your Odoo project. Then run this command, git clone h /github.com/odoo/odoo.git. This command will download the complete Odoo source code from GitHub. Now you can choose your preferred version. Odoo 17 is stable and widely used. Odoo 18 includes the latest features and updates. For beginners, I personally recommend starting with Odoo 17. After downloading Odoo, we need to configure it. Inside your Odoo folder, create a file called odoo.conf. This file contains the database configuration settings. Here we define database username, database password add-ons, path. The DB_user is usually Postgres. The DB_password should be the same password you created during PostgreSQL installation. And add-ons_path should contain the full path of your Odoo add-ons folder. This configuration allows Odoo to connect with PostgreSQL properly. Great. Now we are ready to start Odoo. Open your terminal inside the Odoo folder and run this command, python odoo-bin. If everything is configured correctly, the Odoo server will start running. Now open your browser and go to http://localhost:8069. And boom! If you see the Odoo database or login screen, congratulations. Your Odoo installation was successful. Now, let's talk about some common beginner errors. The first issue is Python not recognized. This usually happens when add Python to path was not enabled during installation. The second issue is database connection failure. In most cases, this happens because the PostgreSQL password inside odoo.conf is incorrect. Another common issue is missing packages. To fix this, run pip install -r requirements.txt from the Odoo folder. And one important tip, always check terminal logs carefully. Most of the time, the error message itself tells you exactly what went wrong. Congratulations! Now, your Odoo setup is running successfully on Windows. But this is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll understand the Odoo folder structure step by step. We'll learn about add-ins models, views, and security. These are the core building blocks of Odoo development. So make sure you subscribe to OdooVerse and continue your Odoo learning journey with me. See you in the next video.